Typology. Before discussing the data type, we should know what data is. Data is a group of information which is not classified by category. It means that information will not be arranged in a suitable way. This is called raw data. Data can be numerical data, or a character, or a date, and so forth. These are called data types. In this lesson, we will discuss data types. All programming languages have data types which can be changed with the language. Data types are essential for any computer programming language. Without them, it becomes very difficult to maintain information in a computer program. The C programming language provides two types of data: fundamental types and derived types. Let us discuss these one by one. Fundamental data types. The fundamental types are also called the basic types for all the programming languages. Now let's discuss the fundamental types. INT type allows only the values of integer without decimals, but not characters. In this case, when you assign a character with a variable of integer, it will be regarded as a value of ASCII. The char type allows a character at the same time. A group of characters are called a string. Each character is stored in a separate place. This concept is known as an array of characters, which will be discussed later. The float allows numbers with a floating decimal point. Compared with integer, it can store a great deal of data. If you wish to store larger than float, we can use the double type. Here's the table which shows the data types and their storage capacity. Now let's move on to derived data types. As we discussed earlier, the fundamental data types are common for all the programming languages, but the derived types are derived from the fundamental types. The derived types do not perform anything without fundamental types. The derived data types are defined with the common name fundamental types. Here are a few derived types: structures, arrays. Now you are familiar with the data types. We will discuss certain important qualifiers in the forthcoming lessons.